Now, tattooing is three things. So it is an art form, it is a service trade, and it is also your own personal brand. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be sharing with you some of the secrets that are going to have a massive impact on your career. The first thing you need to do is make yourself a logo, fantastic logo. You need to get yourself business cards. I've got so many clients from handing out business cards, guys, it's crazy. It's one of the best things that you could possibly do, especially if you're quite social and you meet a lot of people. Get those business cards out there, you'll get fantastic results. People like to get tattoos from people that they know because it's obviously a personal thing, and there's a little bit of fear involved as well. So if they already know who they're going to get the tattoo from, it does a world of good. Guys, your clients are going to research you, especially if you work in a shop and they don't know who they're getting a tattoo from. They're going to look at everything. They're going to look at all your social media. You know, it's going to be the whole lot. Make sure that you're on top of all of your marketing, guys. I'm here to share with you secrets of tattooing that no one else wants to tell you. Tattooing is a solo sport. Shop owners don't care about you. All the other artists are your competitors. Don't be naive about it.
Yeah, I had a crazy situation with a studio owner who stole all my stuff.
Get people to sign a contract that says they wouldn't leave their apprenticeship until a year was up, and then he would fire them the day of and gather the money on that contract.
If you are a freelance tattoo artist, you need to be taking deposits. If you're not taking deposits, you're fucked, guys. You know how flaky people are, especially if you're self-employed. People will drop out at the last minute. Make sure that you are taking a generous deposit for yourself so that you're locking that tattoo in. Those people aren't going to flake if they've already got money invested, and if they do, then you just, you know, you don't even have to do anything and you've got money for the day. You can do other tattoos or do some other stuff. So guys, make sure you're taking those deposits. That is extremely key. Guys, let's talk about sponsorships. So sponsorships are basically free stuff. So you're getting free equipment, you're getting free booths at conventions, stuff like that. If you're a good artist, you need to be using the equipment that you want to be sponsored by, the manufacturer you want to be sponsored by. You need to be hashtagging all of their products in your Instagram posts, because these guys have people who literally search Instagram, search the hashtags, trying to find artists that they can get to promote their brand. Especially if you've got a good following, and if you've got like 20-30k, you know, you can actually look at getting sponsored. The main thing, guys, is to have a USP. Now that is a unique sales point. So guys, originality in the art world is everything, because there's a million other people doing the same kind of tattoos as you. If you can do something different, if you can bring something different to the table, you need to have a unique sales point if you want to really take it to the next level. If you're an amazing artist and you can do the best realism better than other people, you can do everything better than everyone else, then sure, you can get there. But come on, let's be honest, guys, that's not most of us. So we need to have a USP. We need to have a unique, original style for us to stand out. And we also need to wrap that and package that up in unique marketing as well. Guys, if you can do that, you are halfway there.